Habits of a successful coder. Becoming a successful coder requires more than just technical knowledge. It involves adopting effective habits that foster continuous learning, creativity, and problem solving. Here are some essential habits of successful coders. 1. Write clean and maintainable code. 1. Use meaningful variable and function names. 2. Follow consistent coding standards and best practices. 3. Keep the code modular and well commented. 2. Practice regularly. 1. Write code daily or as often as possible. 2. Solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Code Wars. 3. Build small projects to apply your knowledge. 3. Keep learning and stay updated. 1. Stay current with the latest programming trends and technologies. 2. Read blogs, watch tutorials, and attend coding webinars. 3. Explore new languages and frameworks. 4. Debug and optimize efficiently. 1. Develop strong debugging skills by analyzing and breaking down problems. 2. Use debugging tools effectively. 3. Continuously optimize code for better performance. 5. Document your work. 1. Write clear documentation for your projects. 2. Maintain a coding journal to track ideas and solutions. 6. Collaborate and seek feedback. 1. Work on open source projects or participate in hackathons. 2. Be open to peer reviews and constructive criticism. 3. Join coding communities for networking and learning. 7. Focus on problem solving. 1. Understand the problem before jumping into code. 2. Break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. 3. Think critically and creatively to find efficient solutions. 8. Manage time effectively. 1. Use productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique. 2. Prioritize tasks and set achievable goals. 9. Test thoroughly. 1. Write unit tests and perform comprehensive testing. 2. Ensure code functions correctly under various conditions. 10. Maintain a growth mindset. 1. Learn from mistakes and view challenges as opportunities. 2. Stay curious and passionate about coding.